Hello, I'm Adam from Motor Match Chester, and today I'll be taking you around in the previous vehicle. New into stock, we have this amazing Audi A11.4 TFSI Sportback Euro. This 2017 registered vehicle comes with a petrol engine, manual transmission, and comes in shell white. This car has had two previous owners with over 23k miles on the clock and has a partial service history. This car also has 16-inch alloy 5-spoke sports design wheels, which create an effortless look for this car. Furthermore, the Audi includes 4 rear audible sensors for reverse parking, making life easier in those tight spots. These little dots are the sensors. Here is an up-close view of the alloy wheels. Don't they look pretty in the sunlight? Going into the boot, you can see it's nice and spacious. It also has extra pockets on the sides to include a toolkit, car jack, tyre pressure monitoring system and tyre repair kit, which all comes with the Audi A1. Going into the back seats, we can see that there is plenty of legroom for all your passengers, and as well as 3 seat belts for 3 passengers, as it is a 5-seat car. Going into the car, we can see that the windows are electronically controlled by the buttons on the passenger seat, and there is a 3-spoke leather steering wheel for the driver. The seats are made of black fabric and they are very comfortable. Here we can see the dials and steering wheel more clearly, also featuring the hands-free phone system. Centre air conditioning unit, also featuring the hazard lights, CD player, 2 SD card holders, the radio, the air conditioning, cup holders, a gear stick, and of course the manual parking brake. We then move on to the 6.5-inch high gloss black display screen featuring all the different options that come with the car. Here are the functions of the display screen. Info shows what different traffic ports are. Navigation is where all the maps are. Media shows if there is CD playing or what song is playing once one is inserted. This is radio. These are all the presets that have already been put in the car. Tone is how you can control the pitch of all the speakers. The car feature is where you can change the features of the car, such as dynamic, auto and efficiency. Telephone allows you to pair your phones with your car. And that's all for now from the interface. RAC extended warranties are now available. For more information or to book a test drive, please give us a call on 01244 311 404 or inquire now online. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon at Motor Match Chester.